About 2 decades of pretending to myself that I'm eating well and that I'm healthy, when actually I'm full of stress, and you know, it's getting to the point where I was possibly getting quite seriously depressed with it. To be honest with you, I got to that point where I was feeling so disappointed in myself that I wasn't overcoming these bad ways of eating, you know, this lethargy that I had. I almost couldn't see a future for myself. I know about these things, you know, I'm not, you know, daft. I know you've got to eat healthily, but it's nothing ever hooked me in. But there's something, when I started reading all your literature, there's something in it about just nourishing yourself, and it was like loving yourself. And that just sort of really grabbed me, and I thought, oh my God, that's what's been missing all this time. And that's what made me think, yeah, this makes sense. This guy's worth listening to, you know, I should do this now. So I just got into it. I thought, right, I'm going to try one of these cleanses, and I just dove in, you know, both feet, went for it, and the change was rapid and unbelievable. Just that positivity coming back, that energy coming back. My allergies started going as well, and I never thought, because I'd stopped taking medication. Medication stopped working for me, and now every morning when I get up, I'm not sneezing. That is unbelievable. I know it sounds like really simple, but makes an unbelievable difference. But just that frame of mind and feeling in my body that I'm taking good care of it, that is so important. And my family are benefiting now, because I have two small boys. They're 6 and 4, and they are loving veg now. Spinach is their new favourite thing. Well, that's amazing. I could feel my boys are calmer now. They are happier, and I think that's because I've let a lot of stuff go. I've let a lot of this stress go, and it makes you think, shit, what was I doing? What was I putting on them before? I wasn't even conscious of it, and now it's like I know I never want to go back there again. I want them to live in a positive environment, you know, with a mother who feels good about herself and feels, you know, she's got things like under control, and, you know, I'm in charge of my own life again. That's I want to be that role model for them, and I feel I'm doing that. So I'm immensely pleased. I've got massive hopes and expectations for their future. You know, I know we're all going to get there. So, yeah. But taking care of my eating and what I'm feeding my body has made a massive impact, because it's like my digestion's clear now. I don't get these pains down here anywhere like what I used to. It's like your body just tells yourself, this is really good, keep doing this, I want this. And you need no willpower. It's amazing. It's absolutely amazing. I'm starting to lose weight now as well. After my 2 sons, after my second son was born, I started gaining a lot of weight. I was about 30 pounds overweight. That was something that's what I wanted. I think that's what I was looking for in a new regime, a new program. But what I needed first was to take care of myself, just feed myself goodness, and through that it's helped me mentally. Just calm, de-stress, focus on what's important. Now that the weight is coming off, and I know it's going to keep going, and I know that now. That's a real gift about this, is that I'm certain it works. You are doing the right thing, and, you know, you just keep building, and it's going to get better and better. Knowing that's amazing. That's an incredible feeling. I feel like, you know, you're taking control again of your own life.